Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins is here with a look at how cold it could get. Bobby?
Dave, we're talking near freezing temperatures for a lot of inland locations again tonight into tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, a touch warmer, but not much. It's going to be kind of ballpark for both areas. So we have our weather impact alert 3 a.m. to 9 a.m. That's the coldest. In fact, once we get the sun up after around 7 or so, we're going to start to slowly warm things back up. But patchy frost tomorrow morning, I think is actually a better chance for frost as we get into Wednesday morning because the winds will come down, okay? Well, for tonight into tomorrow morning, the purple, which is most of us, a freeze warning. Again, as I showed you earlier, this goes all the way to South Florida, south of Alligator Alley, right around in that area, okay? This blue that you see here is just what we call a cold weather advisory, but that means wind chills, the air temp's going to feel really cold as you get going first thing in the morning. So you do want to cover up those plants if they've survived this far, right? Definitely cover them up because we're done, I think. This will likely be the last cold snap that we get out of this. Blue skies right now. You can see it's gorgeous out there. Armature Works. Got a little UFO flying right there. Can't tell what that is, but it is gorgeous. 53 degrees. North to northwest winds at 15 miles per hour. Now, that breeze comes down a little bit tonight, but it's really important because if it doesn't come down, I think our forecast is right on. If it really drops out, we'll be even colder. I think we're okay. I think we're going to have these 50s right here along the coast. Most areas, in fact, low to mid 50s now. They'll drop down quickly through the 40s, and then by tomorrow morning, a little bit of wind left over. That's not a lot, but generally it's calm at that time. So you see 5, 6, 7 mile per hour winds. That's just a little bit to mix up the atmosphere, okay? And it's coming in out of the north and northeast, which is right down the peninsula, basically. So it's bringing in the colder air. So these are the wake-up temps. 34 in Mulberry, 33 in Wauchula, Tampa at 39, Sarasota 41. But look at this area here, Eastern Pasco, Hernando, Citrus County, right near the freezing mark, okay? Low 40s at the beaches. After that, lots of sunshine will warm things right up. Now, 60, 61 degrees. We should be 75 this time of the year. Not going to happen tomorrow. We'll be generally in the lower 60s. Pasco, Hernando, Citrus, even in some 50s. This is the Wednesday morning wake-up temp. And it's not that far off. I mean, 38, 39 tomorrow morning, 42 on Wednesday morning for Tampa. Still low 30s inland. So going to be a couple cold nights out there. But then notice the cold nights really, they come to an end by Thursday morning, Friday morning, and we're done. And in fact, high temperatures will come back up towards, close to 80 degrees. In fact, by Thursday. Friday into Saturday is our next rain chance. Actually, Friday afternoon, we could see some showers. And the first half of Saturday, we could be looking at some rain right now, about a 30 to 40% chance. The good news is behind that, we do not cool off. We stay warm in the upper 70s to near 80.